Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Photos app opens with blank or black screen in Windows 11,10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scano. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click your display adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, click Scan for hardware changes. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features, type Photos. Click Advanced Options. Click Repair, if same error still exists click Reset. Fourth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Click Start, click Microsoft Store. Type Photos app, select Microsoft Photos app. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.